Machita sencokola apha Orlando Pirates linked with a 9 million AmaZulu left back. Pirates sign a left back entsha suka from AmaZulu. According to transfer market, we go to source SA for player values, the market values. Rian Hanamub, where AmaZulu is valued at 9 million. Whether Pirates is opatala lo fee, when is negotiated down or asiyazi, but yeah, umchita linked with Orlando Pirates, from AmaZulu to Orlando Pirates. Why Pirates for left back? Teams left back situation in Orlando Pirates. Umchita play njani, team profile yakhe. So ngola ngalo way machita up. Wesinza apha kule channel. If eqala ukubana nale channel nale content njena ngocofa usubscribe khona indawo ezantsi bhala subscribe apha cofa usubscribe pha indawo ezantsi emhlophe ufana namanye amajita lapha kule channel asubscribe-ileyo ngocofa pha ungalali khazi zikhona videos. So Rian Hanamub left back umjita una 28 ngala is left back sometimes ngala is left mid but primarily left back linked with Orlando Pirates. Pana Pirates team situation left back Pirates funny enough in left back one car Orlando Pirates in option is more pay right back like Bone or Ubani Utabiso Monyani Bandile Shandu no Craig Martin and then you left back Udiding Paseka Marco and then Dion Hot Kanga because on your pie left back. But kind of help the park was like this way too direct in attacking what's his name? Dion Hot. So Pirates essentially in the left back one, which is like surprising, which is Paseka Marco. So it makes sense, but okay, my big market but for the left back for next season. Whether was of Manu Hanamub, any player siyazi, but this is the first report about okay, if Hanamub. The advantage of Hanamub, number one. Different Marco in terms of like his playing style as a left back. Marco was like very attacking, and then Hanamub way different player, like defender like left back. As the left backs attack Kakulu, he keeps his distances, when he keeps his discipline. So yeah, maybe sometimes can be Pirates, can be for no secure result. Can be 1-0, he score and then ufuna keep us safe and then ufuna secure results ungafaka umuntu ufana noHanamub ongazo-attacka too much bona uzokhipha la discipline back. Yeah, different to Marco. And then other thing experienced dale khona bese kafike iNamibian umjita by the way, so uzoba nayo like he sort of like countryman like Pirates engamnceda nayo ba okay umjita akwazi usettlisha iPirates akwazi uenquire afumana inside information to i-countryman yakhe uHot naye also Namibian like bona manje dayadachana mos ba okay funa Orlando Pirates and then okay yazi ba okay out here mase Namibia ngidlala pha Orlando Pirates. So ngabuza ba hey say Pirates team enjani ibona njani coach injani management like your week ran up to sign mfethu bona bazothe ngathethe ngwezi njalo and then yeah basically uzokwenza i-recommendation uHot na iPirates also ingenza i-pitch yayo isebenzise uHot ba okay uHot your international teammate uHanamub singafumana njani singamcontacta njani player enjani leyana bona ngafitha Orlando Pirates. So yanganceda lo way so le deal as likely for by mayenzeke if Pirates yayifuna le player and then the player if yafuna ujoina Orlando Pirates. She's experienced over 100 ilawe PSL appearances. Moqala ke Jomo Cosmos wa ke Chippa United ukwamaZulu ngoku. And then another thing is Pirates namaZulu ngoku have been doing some business. So the relationship is there, the approach is there, and it's likely for them to be easy ufumana enye deal ka Hanamub because just like last season, last season Pirates signed 2 players from AmaZulu. So we business already iyaflows yazi mosibone apha idiskini. It's all about the relationships when clubs transferring one player to another team. One relationships they're always going and yazi balulekile. Pirates be signing uThapelo Qoki from AmaZulu. yasayina uMakhehleni Makaula from AmaZulu ngoJanuary. So Hanamub might be the third player from AmaZulu to Orlando Pirates, and that's what happens with Bola. So yeah, Hanamub to Orlando Pirates valued at 8 million, which is, yeah, it sounds like too much. Yeah, under 28, matured, experienced. Is he gonna make it at Pirates? Is he good enough? Nina much like tiny ratings in. Maybe you think Pirates should look at his new options at left back. Let us know in the comments much since the lower part channel. If you had called the channel or content engineer, calling down for people, let's subscribe. Subscribe. Hanamub to Orlando Pirates, or can Pirates find better? Have you watched Hanamub ni namachita? Maybe get cheap when you get from Cosmos player enjani. Ganis Noli Bonnie. Noli saying Bonnie sends a lower part channel to the Bonnie shares information. And Machita, when they're being informed, as long as Teta is investing as a zio, get players as a zio. So, yeah, Machita. Rian Hanamub from AmaZulu to Orlando Pirates. This is Obon. Watch about it.